All right. What's next here? The next thing it's vertical stretch and compression. Vertical stretch and compression. So what do we have here? What do we have here? We have a 2x squared. So again, the 1, 3, 5, 7 thing was very good if and only if the a value it's 1, but it's not 1 now. So the 1, 3, 5, 7, right? So we say move right 1, right 1, up 3. All right. So this 1, 3, 5, 7 would have to be modified because we are stretching it, right? This 2 means a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So how do we change it? It's very easy. It's very easy. So since we are stretching it by a factor of 2, so we're no longer doing 1, 3, 5, 7, but instead we're doing 2, 6, 10, and 14. And since we only have a small graphing area, we probably don't need to worry about 10 and 14, okay? So vertex, since there's no translation to the left or right, up or down, it remains at 0, 0. So we'll say right 1, up 2, okay? And then right 1 again and up 6. And that's it. So that's how we draw the graph, and the graph would, naturally would look more skinnier because, well, it's vertically stretched, right? So it'd be skinnier than the parent function, okay? And that's it. That's really it, okay? Now let's not stop. Let's keep going. Now that's a vertical stretch of 2, but what about if it's a compression? What if the number is less than 1? It's half. So what do we do? Okay, now easy, easy. So again, 1, 3, 5, 7, right? That's the original. Now it's a compression. So you're not going as high as 1. But how much? 1 half, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5. So you just go ahead, multiply all these numbers by 1 half. So how do we do it? You will still have the vertex as 0, 0. You will still go to the right 1 unit, but you will go up for half a unit. Okay? Half a unit. Not 1, but half. And then you go to the right again by 1 unit, but then you will only go up for 1.5. So on top of this 1 half, you go to 1.5 units up, which will be 1.5 plus 1.5. It's 2. Okay? And then you will go up for 2.5 units right here. Okay, you go to the right one, up 2.5. And you go to the right one again and up 3.5. Okay, all right, so that's how we do our graph that is vertically compressed. Okay, so you can see it's not getting skinnier, it's getting fatter, right, compared to the one on the left. Now, and again, it's a very good time if you say, I'm a little bit skeptical. Okay, I'm a little bit skeptical. I just want to see it and check if I'm right. Okay, if I made everything, if I made all the points correctly. Sure, go ahead, pick a point. Okay, pick a point that's not at the vertex, and go ahead, put the 4 right there. Okay, so 4 squared is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Y value, it's 8. Good. So you just need to pick a point and check, because if you made a mistake, chances are you made a mistake early, okay, and then it's gonna pile up. So yeah, just pick a point, okay, further up and check it. And if you are ever skeptical, no problem. Just make sure that you have the means, you have the tools to verify with yourself. Okay. All right, what about this one? Ooh, this is a negative. Okay, so we know it's going down. It's a 3. Wow, so 1, 3, 5, 7. It's now what? It's now 3. It's now 9. It's now 15. It's now 21. So it's been shifted up 2 units. So our vertex is going to be 0, 2. And so we will go down. We move right 1 unit and down 3 units. Okay, very skinny. It's a very skinny graph. And then we go to the right 1 unit and down 9 units. Okay, and that's the edge of the graphing area. And we'll go ahead and make the sketch. Now you want to make sure that these dots are like very visible, okay? So that everybody in the world can see that you know the point, okay? You know these are the points that you are making. So that's it, all right? That's really easy. That's really easy for a vertical stretch or compression. It is just modifying the 1357 based on the factor that it is changing. Very easy task, okay? Very easy. All right, next topic. Next video, we focus on horizontal stretch, all right? It's always a trouble, okay? So let's come back to this video. Let's go to the next video and make sure that we nailed it, okay?